my name is Raveendra, and I'd like to introduce my product, which is a car alarm that I believe will reduce the amount of car crashes on the streets drastically. It comes equipped with many different features that will provide comfort to the drivers as they provide safety on the road. The car alarm is very easy to use, very easy to install, and can guarantee your utmost safety while driving. I highly recommend you getting one of my car alarms, as it will make sure you're at ease while driving and it will keep you safe on the roads. Thank you.